Hi all, I was fixing iPhone 11 and this is not my professional, I am a hobbyist about it and doing just if needed, and the problem was the back cover was broken and also the LCD, and also there is an issue with the camera. So overall the process is very complicated. It took me about 8 hours, really 8 hours, because you need to break the bottom glass is the most problematic. I am using this real life RL066. You just need to press it and break each part, because if the glass is big, so you cannot remove it, so you have to hit it. But the reason I'm doing this video is to help others understand something that I missed, and it is important. On the videos, I thought that this connector here is the battery connector, which is not the battery connector. I don't know what connector is it, and I removed it, and you need to remove it before doing all the work, because you can harm, of course, your phone. So I did all the process, 8 hours of work, and then powering it on, and there was no LCD. But I realized that all the when I'm pressing something, so I feel the vibration, so it looks like the phone is working. And then I try with the old LCD, the broken ones that I removed. And I will show you the broken one, because you will believe me that it was broke, yeah. And I saw the same problem, that it is not powering on. And then I thought to myself, wait, I need to find the battery connector and then remove it and see what is going on. So the battery connector is below this metal shield that have 3 screws. And you remove these 3 screws and you get to the battery connector. So I took it out, wait a few minutes, and then like a magic, it is working. So it is like a protection when you're doing something wrong. So in other older iPhone, there was problems that some diode were burning, and you need to change them in order to make it work. Now I will show you some pictures how it looked when I started to work on it. So this is after I open the LCD, and this is the back cover. You can see it looks like a mess. Now it's okay, and this is the process of doing it, and then afterwards it looks perfect. But another issue that I had is with the real life RL601S. After putting the back cover, so you have the 2 screws, and you put this metal in order to put a pressure on the back cover in order to glue it. And this is also problematic, and I will explain, because the part of the camera protect is a little higher than the other glass. So when you put press, so actually it is putting press here and not on the other side the same as here, and then I did a little more and pack, it cracked. So eventually, to my luck, I ordered 2 of the back cover, so I had the second, and on the second I took a careful caution, and it was okay. And other things, when you are doing the breaking of the glass, I recommend to use the Dyson. I use this Dyson because you have many glass parts, and this any glass, it can go back to the internal parts, and you don't want it to happen. So you have to gently break. I still have some glass part on my bench, you can see here. So you need all these parts to vacuum them, and then it will not ruin your phone. Another thing that in order to keep the screws, I use something like this, like, you know, it's some magnetic something. And then I put all the screws here, and with the part, these screws belong to this, these screws belong to this, and also I have a Kapton tape, so you can keep your screws well while doing it. And eventually it is a very hard work to do it. Okay, I will show you now that the phone is actually powering on. Yeah, it looks okay. So I need to put it here, and now it is powering on and everything is okay. I'm still waiting for the camera. I have an issue with the camera, but you can see it is fixed well. Yeah, also I had this break, and there is a part here on the lens that you need to order. It's like some protection, and yeah, as you can see, yeah, perfectly fine, working. So now I have the last issue, and then I'm okay with it. And speaker and everything working, the wireless charging is working, the NFC is working, everything that I tested is okay. So this is my 2 cents to help you knowing that you need to disconnect the battery in the correct place in order to continue working on it. So thank you and bye.